everyone. We all are familiar with saying we, that is for victory. But in English grammar, we stands for vocabulary with same standing as word victory and vocabulary. It means without vocabulary, no one command English language. Like if you are writing, reading, speaking, you need a good list of vocabulary. Like for writing emails, reading lots of documents, work related, you must know about the vocabulary. So we should always try learning new words and their right usage. Today, I am covering few words per theme with their meaning and uses. So in the process, we are promising that it will be very spontaneous and you will grasp it right away. Don't get frightened with lots of vocabulary words. Now I will start the vocabulary for the personality. That is for personality types. Vocabulary where we use, that is for adjectives. It's a word that tells you about noun. First word, that is amiable. What is amiable? It's being friendly and lovable. Amiable, for example, my boss is very amiable. It means the person who is having amiable nature, he is very good nature and easy to get along with everyone. So I think it's not a difficult one. Then the next vocabulary word is ambitious. It's a very common word. It means strong desire to succeed. The person who are very ambitious, they only think about their goals. Like they are very dedicated and hardworking. For example, I am ambitious to go to Australia for higher studies. That means he is just focusing about going abroad. The person who are very ambitious, they are very motivated and they are already set their goal. The next is charismatic. That is a power to attract people. For example, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a charismatic personality. And I'm sure most of this agree with that, don't we? It's a kind of special person that some people have naturally that makes them able to influence others by their acts, thoughts and words. Now, the next is, that is extrovert. What is extrovert? Extrovert, someone who talks a lot. That means he can't stop, resist himself and even can't sit for a moment without talking. Even they are very friendly and outgoing personalities. For example, most sales people are extroverts. आप खुद सोचिए, अगर सेल पीपल ज़्यादा एक्सट्रोवर्ट होंगे, obviously they talk much about the products. Only then we will buy them. So, be extrovert always. Not always, sometimes. Next word is introvert. Feeling not talking much. Like the persons who are very introvert, they are very quiet, shy, थोड़े शर्मीले होते हैं. For example, my sister is introvert. They talk little, very little, even they used to quiet every time. They always prefer to be alone than with other people. Are you guys introvert? No, I don't think so. If you guys are introvert, then you're not watching this video. Now, the next word is ambivert. What is ambivert? It is the middle word between extrovert and introvert, where introvert are shy and the extrovert are very talkative. The ambivert is the balance of extrovert and introvert qualities. The ambivert, they always lies in the middle of extrovert and introvert. They may lean more towards extroverted or introverted behavior depending on the situation. For example, I talk more, but I like to be calm at times. Hence, I am an ambivert person. The next is considerate. What is considerate? It's to be caring and helpful. The persons who are very considerate, who are having this kind of personalities, they are always thinking of other people's wishes and feelings. Like, just an example, if you are passing by the road and you just see somebody lying on the road, you cannot resist but to help them. So, the people who are considerate, they are always ready to help the needy people. For example, I am always considerate towards the poor. Now, the next is courteous. I think courageous word itself tell you about the meaning that who shows courage. जिसमें बहुत हिम्मत होती है. Nowadays हम सब में बहुत हिम्मत है. That's why we stay at home to protect ourselves from COVID-19. We have become brave. And courageous का next meaning भी क्या होता है? Brave. The man without fear. For example, he was wrong and courageous enough to admit it. Now the next is compassionate. To show love and sympathy. जो ये compassionate and हमारा word था last, considerate, they are connected. Similarly, ये थोड़े से connected हैं. For example, my manager is always compassionate to my pain. He was considerate enough to send me home when I was sick. इसका मतलब है कि if you are compassionate, you feel others people pain and struggle as though they were your own. ये दोनों वर्ड्स साथ साथ में चलते हैं. Like the both words go hand in hand. The next word is courteous. To have respect and politeness. The hotel staff are always courteous. अगर hotel staff courteous नहीं होगा तो definitely अगर हम लोग उस hotel या restaurant में visit क्यों करेंगे. So ये उनका एक nature होता है. They have a lot of manners, etiquettes and even ethics also. So though mostly the staff members are always courteous. And now the last word is diligent. What is diligent? It's hardworking. To work with care and focus. The persons who are diligent, they are always ready to upgrade themselves. For example, be diligent in your work. I hope you guys all have learned these vocabulary words. I think they are very much new to you. That's all for your today's vocabulary for personality. Guys, please pick some of your favorite words and try using them at home. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.